This is my before from my hair. I'm about to get it done with this, and I know my hair is supposed to be wet, but I let it dry, so I'm gonna be using this. It's just a styling mist. So let's do my hair. I'm gonna do this last part to show you how I style the front. I'm gonna do that other half off camera. I went live to finish the video, to finish doing my hair, so I finished it on live. Here's the finished product. If you like this, it's very cheap and affordable. Link will be right down here. Thanks for watching.